one of the things I want you to do is not just post this on social media. Where does AI get all of its referrals from? Blog posts, absolutely. So who does have a blog at the moment? So not all of you. Tekmatix is a blogging platform. Okay, so you can start blogging today from your own domain, and those blogs are Google indexable and crawlable by the LLMs as well. So it's very easy to do that. I'm not going to go in and do a full demo right now because there are tutorial videos on how to do this on the Tekmatix YouTube channel. Just type in blog Tekmatix on YouTube and you'll find it. But basically, it's really simple. It's like a Word document. You can format it how you want. You can add your own fonts. You can upload your videos. You can upload photos. You can embed even podcast episodes because you can embed audio files in here. So we have lots of people using this as their podcasting platform too. And it also, importantly, when you go to publish it, over here, you actually have the preview of what your post will look like on Google, because you can do what's called metadata. Now, your metadata is what these bots are crawling for, what AI is crawling for, to determine whether it's your blog post that people get sent to. And all this is a couple of things, really important. The title of your post, right? How do I make my business more profitable? Practical steps that can start today. Remember that topic question? Your blog posts really need to be a question or a common query or a common thing that your audience say out loud, because again, that's what's matching you and that other stuff together. So this is going to show you what the title shows up like on Google. It's going to show you what the cover image shows up like on Google, and it gives you a brief description. This is called a meta description, and the option to add tags and keywords. These are like hashtags, and the keywords are words that people are using when they're doing voice queries, when they're doing typing into AI, or whether they're typing straight into Google. So this is fully SEO optimized, all right? If you're using Tekmatix or high level, just in the same way as if you're using WordPress, Wix, they all work in exactly the same way. Every single one of these platforms have these essential SEO features. So when you upload a post, please make sure you don't just put the post and a cute picture in it. Please make sure that in the kind of next step, you do add in those tags and that description and those categories, because this helps your stuff get found and sent to the right people. Does that make sense? Now, the other thing in your blog post you need to do to help the search engines and the AI send traffic to you is use proper formatting in the post. You must have your main title heading as header 1, and all of the little subheadings must be heading 2. So up in your editing area, you've got, it shows there, it's very hard to see, but it says heading 1. If I would highlight that title and call it select heading 1. The subtitle, I would highlight, choose the drop-down heading 2. This formatting actually helps both SEO and AI scan very quickly through your content and identify what's in it and what it's about. And this is why, again, we've got the bot instructions in your custom bot GPT you've made to make subheadings. I don't know if you noticed that instruction was in there. I'm not making this up randomly. It's been designed in that way for you to have SEO power, but when you paste it into your blog area, you just have to remember to switch it to a heading. Can we all do that? Yeah, baby! Okie dokie. Oh my God, we've done this bit. We've done this bit. This is so cool.